One day, Henry the Green Engine was interacting with the other mainline engines. "Do you know what I think?" asked Henry. "What?" grunted Gordon. "Well, you know what I think." "Silly," said Gordon pompously. "Of course I have no idea what you're talking about, if you don't tell me what it is yet." "Well, you see, the Fat Controller's getting some new engines in order to make businesses much easier. And they're mini-sized, too." "Yeah, I don't want to rain on your parade or anything, Henry, but I think it's safe to say that the railway's doing just fine without new engines. I mean, there's no need for all this constant new when we already have so much to work with." "Well, contraire, James. We just need to keep moving forward, that's all. Oh, in fact, I think I hear them coming right now."
Right, come along, ladies. We've got work to do.
You know, I gotta learn to keep my big mouth shut. Later that day, the miniature-sized engines were looking forward to a 10-minute breather at Tidmouth Sheds. Soon came the alarm. "Splatter and Dodge are stuck on Gordon's Hill! You must go to their rescue, quickly!"
Then there's no time to lose. Come on, ladies. We've got work to do.
At Gordon's Hill, Splatter and Dodge were halfway up and very triggered with each other. "You see, Dodge? I told you this would have happened if you didn't pick up the pace. Well, if your ego wasn't so big as your generator, we wouldn't be having this confrontation right now." At the very least, the designer built one of us to have a brain. You, on the other hand, were built to be a complete and utter buffoon. Did you insult my intelligence? Why, you... At Knapford, the Fat Controller was waiting anxiously for Splatter and Dodge. 14 minutes late, and no sign of Splatter and Dodge anywhere. Where could they be? Save your breath, sir. They probably skipped town because of all that confusion and delay they were causing with Diesel 10. To which I say, good riddance. I knew I can count on you, ladies. You know, we could surely use you girls more often, just in case if Edward is busy somewhere else. Great job. As for you, Splatter and Dodge, I expect you to arrive at Knapford on time instead of running into shortcuts. I sure do hope you understand that at this time. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. The next day, Henry, Gordon, James, and Edward were at the grand ceremony to celebrate the miniature-sized engine's debut on Sodor.
The Fat Controller was making a grand announcement. Today, the four of you have shown me that you can get all of the work done through confidence, enthusiasm, and effort. And for helping two unlikely diesels with their passenger trains, I would be glad to say, not only are you considered all really useful, but also welcome aboard.
Thank you very much, sir. But on a side note, do you think that we can bring more of our miniature kind here?
Of course you may.